We are constantly hearing about new trends emerging. Different colors are going to be hot this year. Different styles are going to be popular this season. How can you figure out what is popular and how can you combine trends to create new products for your Etsy shop? Stick around and I'll show you how to do it. One great place to start when you're trying to follow trends and figure out what might work for your shop is to take a look at what the colors of the year are. Many companies release their colors of the year predictions early on in the year. And for 2025, we have three that we're keeping an eye on. Etsy announced that their color of the year is lime cream, which is a lovely green shade that definitely gives off spring vibes and a little bit of freshness after a cold, icy winter. Pantone's color of the year is a brown mocha mousse, which is a neutral tone that could match with lots of different color palettes. And the third color that we're keeping an eye on is butter yellow, which was announced by KitchenAid as their color of the year with a special equipment just in that color. So these are three colors that on their own all suggest are going to be popular. But is there a way you can combine all three colors or two out of the three in maybe different fabric patterns or bead combinations so that you can hit more than just one of the popular colors? Now that we've seen what the colors of the year are, let's take a look at an eRank tool to find out what materials are popular among shoppers right now. To do this, I'm going to use eRank's Trend Buzz tool. You can get to the Trend Buzz tool through the Trends sidebar menu and click on Trend Buzz. So this is going to load the Trend Buzz tool. So this is going to show what is popular for a number of different aspects of a listing. Keywords overall, yes, but you can also see colors, products, recipients, styles, and materials. This is going to show for the past 30 days worth of data. Let's click on materials and see what we can find. Once it loads, we can see that these are the most popular materials that are searched for by buyers. So gold, leather, wood, silver, glass, fabric, wooden, metal, resin, and vinyl are the top 10 most searched for materials. So this is also a great place to get inspiration. Can you make something out of one of these materials, maybe using one of the trending colors of the year? I'll give you a couple of examples just to get your mind going. Here are a couple of examples from very different niches of how you can take a color of the year and a popular material and blend them together to make a different product. So for example, we'll use the color butter yellow and the material wood, and we've come up with a tray for a coffee table or breakfast in bed that uses a buttery colored wood. A different product we could do is if we take lime cream as the color and gold as the material, you could print a greeting card on lime cardstock that uses gold lettering on the front. These are just two examples of two different colors of the year with two different materials, but there are endless combinations when you also think of things such as seasonality, styles, and aesthetics. We've given you two quick examples of how you can combine different aspects of trends to create new products for your Etsy shop. We invite you to do a little more exploring and digging of your own to see how you can create new products that fit your niche and your business the best. We at eRank wish you well and wish you the best of luck on your Etsy journey.